Thanks for clicking into the channel today. Today we'll answer the question, is the Shure MV7X enough? It's not the SM7B. So, no matter how you look at it, it kind of looks like it and it kind of sounds like it, but it's a lot less money. So, if you're already set up with an XLR system, it's enough. When you're retired, what do you do all day? Well, I like to follow the 3 E's: exercise, eat right, and the most fun E, explore. Today, I choose to make it a great day by exploring the MV7X microphone, this little baby. The X stands for XLR. Now, I was using this old microphone, and what this is a BG 2.1. Now, the famous SM58 is a great microphone. This was the step below that. Now, this one served me well. It was very inexpensive. I used it for things like announcing press box baseball and football games, also for basketball games in the gym. It isolated the sound and keyed in on my voice, even recorded an audiobook with it. But I thought it was time to upgrade, so I was looking at the SM58. The SM58 is a wonderful choice, and it works great for live performances. It's been around for decades and it's proven. Probably would work in this situation. But I wanted a mic like this one that would do a little bit better in a room like this. Lots of wallboard, no sound treatment, something that would key in on my voice. Now, it is an XLR. And that's great because it's pro audio with XLR. It'll work with my existing Soundcraft system. The Soundcraft has terrific preamps for the mics. And I really didn't need the USB functionality of the new Plus version of the MV7 Plus. Plus, the MV7 Plus cost about $100 more. Now, of course, I would love to have the SM7B, but I didn't want to pay 4 or 5 times as much. Let's take a look at what this one can do. Here's the box for the MV7X podcast microphone. My first impression is, wow, this thing's small, but man, it is really heavy. You can tell that it's very well constructed. Here's what it looks like out of the box. Here's what my home podcasting setup looks like. I have a gaming computer with an external monitor up above it, and also an iPad off to the left. Now, pay no attention to the old VCR that the computer is sitting on. That just gets it up in the air so the screens are closer, and I have it around in case I want to watch an old tape. And also, there's a flight yoke up on end in the upper right-hand corner. That's for when I want to mess around playing Flight Simulator. But this is the main setup. I have the gaming computer in the center with another monitor up above, and then an iPad to the left. This allows me to display the DaVinci Resolve 20 for editing, graphics off to the left, and at the top I can bring up Canva or Adobe Express when I need to do other graphic manipulation. It's a great setup. You can see the mic just off to the right, and it's got a pop filter in front of it. And then the Soundcraft Notepad little mixer that's connected to a native USB interface. Now, one of the things about the Shure microphones is they require a lot of gain, and this mixer has up to 90 dB, which is more than enough to boost the Shure up to acceptable editing levels. I'm still playing around with the equalization to get the sound correct, but I'll get that figured out. It's new. I can tell you, as far as value, the Shure MV7X is great. I'm glad you choose to make it a great day, and thanks for exploring Shure's MV7X with me. I hope it makes your mic search easier. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you as you choose to make it a great day.